Working on a garden that's 30 to 40 years old here in southern New England. And we're doing some editing, some deep editing of plants that no longer are assets. So right here we've removed a number of Japanese holly that were lining the walk that were about 6-7 feet tall, that were really like redundant, really not needed. Now you can see the beautiful wrought iron work, and the boxwoods that remain we will do additional renovation pruning. There might even be some additional removals, we'll see. The boxwood are so unique in that even in shade there will be some growth. So they're shade tolerant. So even sort of deep behind this shrub, there is still evergreen foliage on the plant behind it. Where the Japanese holly that was lining this walk really not as shade tolerant. You can see this is the Japanese holly here. So these boxwood that were being shaded out from the Japanese holly still have foliage, not all the way to the ground, but so given time and some thinning, they ought to put out growth that would hang down lower.